All right, guys, so check it out. I have this group of millennials that's trying to help me make my social media a little more interesting, said millennials. Okay, now, they thought it would be a good idea if I just impromptu showed you what's in my fridge. So this is gonna have to be a series because there's a lot of shit in my fridge. So, keep in mind I live with different individuals, one being the other millennial male behind the camera. So if there's anything disgusting in here, it belongs to him. I also have 2 small children. If there's anything with a ton of sugar in it, that belongs to them. Let's take a look. I have no idea what we'll find in here today, to be fair. Rosé, that happened. That's not theirs. I'm obsessed with this brand KREATION. They make these like fresh almond milk and coconut milk, so good. So I put it in my cold brew coffee in the morning. A lot of supplements, a lot of natural supplements. Love this Rebel Turmeric Golden Coconut Milk. Some fresh organic soups, because it's just easy and quick. So this is chicken tortilla, and then there's a chicken noodle, that's my brother's. Organic yogurts, organic cream cheese, baby carrots for the kids' lunch. Shit. Now, remember, I do have kids, so organic hot dogs, because kids still like hot dogs. Organic turkey from APPLEGATE Farms for the kids' lunch. Wild lox that go with my organic bagels in the morning, so I get my omega-3s. Avocados, apples, lemons, kiwi, tons of berries. Organic cheeses, cheese sticks, which I snack on, but also for the kids' lunches. We're a big hot sauce household. Kill sauce, Haitian heat, because Lou likes to represent. And then, what's our other favorite, Greg? The Gringo Bandito, because we're honoring Greg's Latin roots, because my brother's half Mexican, half Venezuelan, so we're representing there too. That's this fridge. Oh! Love these perfect bars. There are a ton of calories, so you do half. Now, here's the pantry. So here's a brand that I am obsessed with, you might be able to tell, called Nutso. It's organic, check this out. It's like a super seed butter. Cashews, almonds, Brazil nuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, hazelnuts, pumpkin, Celtic sea salt, totally organic. So you get like all the superfood nuts and seeds in one butter, and it tastes amazing. A lot of organic cereals in here. In my opinion, you gotta give the kids their favorite, so it's like complete shit sugar cereal, but it's organic. This is not curing cancer, but it's not gonna kill them either. If you're on a budget, organic beans, like whether it's fat-free refried or organic black beans, you can make super healthy meals really cheap with beans. And then like this is where it starts to get into like Jillian territory, which you're probably gonna be bored with, but I make my own trail mix. So I have like cocoa nibs, organic goji berries, hemp seeds, cacao powder, organic chia seeds. So sometimes I put this stuff on my yogurt. Like I'm really into supplementing with whole foods, which I know you guys know, and using whole superfoods. Now we get into like chips, organic little protein bars. They're not even protein, organic bars for the kids. Again, like you'll find with the kids, I give them kid food, but I just make sure it's organic so they don't get the chemicals. All right, what else we got? Oh, these are good. These LATEJULY bacon habanero chips do not suck at all. I love these rhythm beat chips. I do these with hummus, so delicious. Another thing that I love are these Bear apple chips. This is how, another way, like I have to sneak this kind of stuff into the kids' food. Is if I put if I put an actual apple in the lunch, the actual apple will come back. I have another fridge. That's how crazy this is. Wine, I don't know whose this is. So in here we've got, I'm really into like these shots. Decongestant, feel better for immunity, super green with chlorophyll, all my supplements, omegas, probiotics, adaptogen blend for my coffee, cold brew coffee. Make sure your coffee is organic. Organic whole grain bread and bagels. I like Dave's Killer Bread, that's my favorite. Alkaline water, HYDRATE, I invested in this brand, disclaimer. But it's really, in my opinion, the best alkaline water, and that's why I did invest in it. Ice cream, I don't know who bought that. That's not me. You know what I did for convenience? I like kept getting these ads on Instagram, so I bought these Daily Harvest things. I'm not gonna lie, I have yet to make any of them. I mean, it looks awesome, right? I mean, I was just like, wow, that looks like it'd be really fucking good for you. And then I just never made them, but I will. One day, I swear. Organic, like frozen pancakes and organic frozen waffles and organic sausage and like super quick and easy. Oh, there's rum. Why do we have rum? You want it? All right, so what do you guys think about what's in the fridge and the pantry in my house? Are you surprised? Are you disappointed in me? Let me know in the comments below. But actually don't if you have something bad to say. Wait! Saki Kit Kat. Make that shit better!